Alright, I think I alleviated the need for a wiring diagram. So I noticed that this white wire was melting, and so this goes to the alternator right here. The 3 plug. I unplugged that, and I just now noticed that this wire was folded over and up there. So it's very possible that the way this was, it was shorting out. And I'm guessing that the white wire is a hot wire, and that's what it was. So it was probably just arcing out, you know. I don't know if maybe the alternator was providing the hot through here, and it seems like it would have to go from here to short out, or maybe even the alternator is fried. And maybe that's how all the wire melted in the first place. I don't know, but for now, the wire is disconnected from the back. I guess I only disconnected the big plug. I didn't disconnect this one other wire on the back of the alternator. Maybe I need to do that. But and then this here, these two wires were together on the back of the voltage regulator, but I can see that we've got some potentially non-original wiring in there. But I guess I will replace this if I get the car running, so this won't be a concern anymore. And I think that I'll probably be safe to assume that that red wire running down the side of the car isn't going to contact anything, and I can go back to just focusing on why the starter will not run fast. Actually, maybe even just pulling that out of the car. Maybe it... no, I think I probably passed that already. So I may be down to just the starter being bad.